Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. So today I'm going to do a couple random unboxings of a few things that I have that I wanted to show you. One of them, I already opened the package and I already took out one of the items. It was a drill tray, but I didn't take out the other one. So I'm going to show you that one. All right. This one is by JH Envision Lab on Etsy. I'll link their store. The ones I got are identical. They're just a different color. So I did get a silver one. And I also got this green one, and they are just the square diamond painting drill tray. It has the little thing so when you're dumping them back in through the funnel, they're not going to fall out of here, and the stopper. And they have several different colors. I like this one so much that I'm going to order, or not going to, I already put in an order for another one, and I'm going to do that as a part of a giveaway. And it's going to be with the next item that I'm going to show you right now. So here's the next item. Let me get my scissors. All right. So if you don't know what the purple bag is, I'm going to show you. A lot of you probably already know what it is. And I'm struggling with the package, so just give me a second. I was actually able to snag 2 of these, and that's why I'm going to do a giveaway with this and the tray with it. And I got a candy. Is anybody guessing yet what this is? I got 2 things of super sticky Paddywaxx, and these are the ones that unscrew. Paddywaxx is in here. Like I said, it's the super sticky Paddywaxx. So, and then her Distracted by Diamonds logo. I love this logo. I really wanted one of these. My other one is this little Owlton, which I think is adorable, but I love pinup girls, and these are just really cute. So I did get 2 of them, and I'm going to do that along with one of the JH Envision Lab 3D printed tray I just showed you. And I'm also going to give you one of my other, the mouth-watering strawberries Paddywaxx bar. That's brand new. I just found that I really like the super sticky Paddywaxx a lot, and I just know that I won't use that as quickly as I will the other, so I figure I should just give it away. And Robin also included this cute diamond sticker, and look at this little chick, he's so adorable. And then she puts a little personalization when she writes you, when she signs your little thing and tells you, you know, she appreciates your business. So yeah, I enjoy ordering from Robin. She just goes a step beyond and adds the cute little stuff in it. So anyhow, I thought it would be cool to do a giveaway. I will be getting the details of the giveaway that I'm gonna do probably sometime next week, because I want to get the other tray in before I give you guys all the details and go over everything. And then I have another unboxing. This isn't for diamond painting so much as doing videos, but I did mention to you guys in my last couple videos that I was getting something to try and make my videos better. So I got it, and I figured, I should just show you guys. So I ordered it from Amazon. My table's going nuts. Sorry. out of the box. I'm sorry, guys. I guess I could have taken it out of the Amazon package prior to doing this. Next time. And this is the ring light I was talking about. So we're going to look at it together, and then hopefully I can get it set up today and do a little video later, probably a whip and chat, but we'll see about if that's what I do, and test it out, see how well it works. So it does come with a tripod that is adjustable for, I think it's like 4 different heights. I'm going to try and get my camera to zoom out a little bit better. So it does adjust. It's 4 or 5 different heights it goes to, so it has the different capabilities right here. And this is so you can attach any phone you want to it. So I can attach my phone, and it did say that it's adjustable. Yep. So I can attach my phone or another phone. My camera is already sitting on the arm, so I wouldn't probably use it for my phone, but it's available if I need to be, and a remote to control the camera, or to control my phone if I wanted to put my phone attached to it. And then, oh, it comes in a nice little felt bag. And then these should be the 3 different, maybe it's 3 different settings to make it go different. Like, I think it was natural, light, or something else. I'll have to look at it better. So yeah, this is what it is. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna put it together, try it out, and I'll let you guys know what I think, and I will link the Amazon listing so you guys can check it out if you want to. It does have on, off. It has different modes, up and down. So yeah, so that's what I have right now. I'm excited about using this. I'm hoping that it makes my videos it makes the lighting look better in my videos. I know it just depends. Most of my light comes from the window behind me. That's I keep the curtains open, so the natural lighting. So once it gets dark in here, the lighting just isn't the best. And I kind of looked around, and I have a new ceiling fan in here that has lights on it, so I didn't want to have to replace my brand new ceiling fan. So I kind of did some research. Looks like these ring lights do really well for that. So fingers crossed. I hope this fixes that. And then after that, I think the only thing I need left to do is to fix the table from wobbling. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see any more videos, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be notified when I post new videos. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.